After making sure that these routes are working, as we've checked in the last video, now we need to wire the nav bar to these routes. So we need, when we click on this thing, we need for it to go to the specific route. So how could we do this actually? To do this inside the nav bar, instead of having this A, we could use navlink. Okay, and navlink is something really something used inside React Router DOM. Okay, and we could have, it has these props like 2. Okay, and we could close it like this. We need for sure to import this to try it. So we could just try it here. Okay, cool. Nav link is not defined. So this is because we're having a spelling mistake. So this should be capital L. And for sure we need to add here a label exactly like this one. And we could add a class name exactly like this one. So let us now try to see if it is working. So we will just comment out this one and let us see if this would actually render. Okay, so this is actually working. And if we click, let's go to sign up route first to test. If we click here on login, we will go to the login route. So right now we know that this thing is working. What we need to do is replicate what we have done here for sign up. So right here we could do the same thing exactly for sign up. Instead of login, we will write sign up. And right now we could navigate through the navbar. Okay, there is something good that we could do. Right now we see that there are a lot of replication in our code. So let us say we have 10 routes inside the navbar like this. Let's say these are all different routes. So it's not cool to have all of these replication as you could see here. So we could do something good. We could just componentize this part. How could we do this? We could just have a component right here which is called navbar link that would take a label and a path. Okay, this should return this JSX. So let us try this here. Inside of sign up we'll use label, and instead of this we could use 2. And right here we could just remove this and use the component that is called nav bar link and write 2 equals login and label equal login and just close it. Okay, we need to do the same thing with sign up. So let us check to see if this is working. Okay, as you could see this is working, but now we have much cleaner code and we have reduced replication. What we need to do is remove this active, and we need to just let the activated route to have the class name which is called active. So as you could see now, only the class name that is activated is having the active class.